In this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to take resting blood pressure. First and foremost, the importance of blood pressure is knowing how to read blood pressure so that it can help you if your blood pressure is too high or too low. If your blood pressure is too high, it can lead to other risks of health problems in the near future. Two things to know is what is systolic and diastolic. Systolic will be the reading at its highest point while taking blood pressure, and diastolic will be at your lowest reading. To begin, make sure the subject has been seated with his back up straight for at least 5 minutes in order to record resting blood pressure. Arms are on the table at rest, and make sure feet are flat on the floor. Using your left arm since it is closest to the heart, you will then wrap the cuff, lining up where it says brachial artery to the brachial artery on the subject's arm. When wrapping the cuff, make sure that it is on snug and it fits correctly on the subject. Too small or too big might alter the blood pressure readings. Be sure and sanitize your stethoscope to make sure it is clean for yourself and for the next person. Make sure you place the stethoscope with the wider circular part on the skin and make sure that you hold the top part with your fingers. Do not place your thumb on top of the stethoscope since your thumb has a pulse. It may be confused while listening for blood pressure. And place over brachial artery. Once everything is in place, begin to inflate cuff quickly to about 160 or 180 millimeter per mercury, which is indicated on the reading. Slowly switch the trigger to deflate. Listen carefully for the Korsakoff sound, which almost sounds like a pulse or a thumping sound. The first one that you will hear is your systolic reading, and the last sound will be the diastolic reading. And record.